Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman Associates. We do a lot of work involving divorce and custody, and we've been doing it for a long time with great proficiency. So today I'd like to share with you some very important information that deals with the reasons why you shouldn't handle your own custody or divorce case. First of all, you got to understand that, like many things in life, these are technical, complicated issues that got a lot of moving parts. So many people, for some odd reason, think that they can handle their own case just because the law may allow you to do so. The law may allow you to do a lot of things, but just because you can doesn't mean you should. You have to understand that there are so many ways to screw this up, and there's really only one way to do it right. And your odds of getting a tremendously satisfactory result are greatly improved by having a professional who knows what he's doing handle your divorce or your custody case. The stakes couldn't be higher. You're talking about your future, you're talking about your children. Can you do it yourself? I suppose. I mean, you could blind yourself with a cloth, drive down I-75, you might get to where you're going, but odds are you're going to hit something along the way and you're going to cause a huge mess. It's the same thing here. You might stumble into a semi-satisfactory result if you do it yourself, but the truth of the matter is you're not going to know how to do it. There's a lot of technical things, and especially nowadays in the Zoom environment where we're doing so many things electronically, lawyers who've been doing this for a long time find themselves having to learn new techniques. If they are having to retool, how much more so would you have to if you were trying to handle this case, all the while dealing with the stress of an unhappy marriage, of a difficult spouse, of getting children to cope with the breakup and the change of custody? You're not going to be able to do it. It'd be great if you could, but you can't. If your tooth hurts, you can go into the garage and you can grab a wrench and you can pull it out. But you should probably go to a dentist because he knows what he's doing and you don't, okay? So the reality is the law is certainly way more complex than that. If you're in this situation, what you should be doing is contact a lawyer. He's going to tell you, should you file first? What are the advantages of waiting? Are there certain steps that you should take in order to increase the possibility that you'll have a better chance at custody, or in order to increase the possibility that you'll succeed in the divorce case? There are so many things that you got to know. So do me a favor. Do everybody a favor. That means do the court a favor, do the other parties a favor, do everybody a favor. Don't handle it yourself. Call an experienced law firm, consult with them, get direction. You're going to feel so much better knowing that your case is being handled by people who do this for a living. Now, having said that, if you need further assistance, what I'd like to suggest you do is call the office for a free case evaluation. Do that, and you can contact the office by clicking the link below. If you found this helpful, of course, please subscribe and share this with your friends.